One image is all it generally takes to create unlimited videos and images of yourself. By the end of this video, you will have the complete workflow on how to go from a single image to a completely trained character that you can use to create multiple scenes and a complete cinematic video of yourself. The platform we'll be using for this workflow is Higgsfield, and I've left the link in the video description as well as in the comments if you want to follow along. Now, when you go to Higgsfield, you will land on the main dashboard. At the top, you will see all the different navigation bars with all the different tools and features that Higgsfield AI offers. But the first one we will use today is the apps. Inside the apps, there are many different tools that you can explore, and it is worth checking out each and every one of them. But the one we will focus on most today is Angles 2.0. The reason we are using angles is because we first need to create the character ID of ourselves. This means we need to train the AI on exactly how we actually look. And for that, we need multiple angles of ourselves. What this tool does is create multiple angles of yourself without needing to crop or manually try to adjust the angles. With this tool, there are 0 prompts required. All you have to do is upload an image of yourself, and then you can drag around the sphere or just click Generate from 12 best angles. This will instantly give you the 12 best angles, or you can manually adjust the camera angles to get as many angles as you want. Once you're happy with your images, keep repeating the process until you have multiple images from different angles of yourself. Keep in mind that the more variety and different angles you create here, the stronger your character ID will be in the next step. So it is very important that you create as many angles as you can here. The maximum amount of images we can upload to train our AI is 80. I suggest you create at least 20 to 30 good images before continuing to the next step. Now that you have created all your angles, we are ready for the next step, which is to create a character ID. This means we will train the AI on exactly how our character looks by using these images. Download all the images you just created. Then go back up to the navigation bar, go to Images, and look for Soul ID Character. Click on that and then click Create a Character. Upload all of these images you downloaded, wait for them to validate, and then give your character a name. I will call mine Akari. Then select the model you want to use. I will leave mine on Soul ID 2.0. Make sure the images you upload are more than 20 and that your quality score is good. Then hit Create. Now the AI will train itself on exactly how your character looks. And when it is ready, it will appear in your character library. From this point forward, you can easily place the character you trained into any scene you can imagine. To use your character ID, it is as simple as going to any video or image generation section in Higgsfield and simply typing @ A pop-up will appear and you can select your character from the list. For example, just paste in a prompt. At the front of the prompt, type @ select the character, and generate. And just like that, I created multiple images of myself. Here I am in a coffee shop, exploring the Amazon, doing my favorite hobby, mountain climbing, gone to Africa to take a picture with a lion. Or put yourself in a fantasy world where you can be any character you want. You can do all this while keeping your character 100% consistent. Having a consistent character is only half of it. What we will do next is what makes it actually worth doing all this. We will now create a cinematic, high-quality video of yourself using Higgsfield's Cinema Studio. In the top navigation bar, click on Cinema Studio. This will open the Cinema Studio interface, which has Cdance 2.0 baked into it. What sets this apart from any other generator is that you need only one single image to create a very high-quality cinematic video like this. Just to quickly go through the interface, at the top you have the genre. You can use this to change the genre of your video very easily. Next to that, they have style. There you can change the color palette of the video you're going to create, as well as the lighting. They also have camera movement and style. Then there are some finer details, like what type of camera you want to use, what lens, and what focal length. You can also adjust the aperture of the camera. Now, if you do not know how all of this works and how it affects your video quality, you can go to my website where you will find a very detailed breakdown of how to set up your character ID and exactly how each setting will affect your image and video generation. You can go through this guide. It will take you about an hour or two, and after that, you will have a much better understanding of exactly how each camera angle, style, camera lens, and focal length will affect your image and video generation. I highly recommend that you check it out. It is completely free. All I ask in return is that you like this video, leave a positive comment, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. To create our first video, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have selected video in the prompt box. Then you need to add a reference image. I'll add this reference image of my character exploring the jungle. Then we have to select the genre, and I'll set that to epic. Then under style, I'll leave everything on auto. And then for camera, I'll do the same and put everything to auto. The reason I do this is because inside the prompt I'll use, I have already added all the camera angles, focal lengths, camera movements, the style, and the color tone. After you have added your image and written your prompt, the next thing you need to do is choose the duration. I'll set it to 15 seconds. For resolution, you want to set it to the maximum for the highest quality, 1080p. And then choose your aspect ratio. Make sure that sound is turned on and then hit generate. This will give us a very nice video of me walking through the jungle, discovering the ruins, exploring the ruins, and then discovering the bracelet. And we created all of this using only one single image, while keeping our character 100% consistent. Now we will create one more scene of me freezing time, walking through the crowd, giving some money to the musician, and then unfreezing the time. The prompt I will use you can find in the guide linked to this video. Just copy the prompt from my guide. Then go back to Higgsfield Cinema Studio, paste the prompt, and simply add a reference image. Set the genre to epic, and under the color palette, we'll use naturalistic clean. Set the duration to 15 seconds, 1080p resolution, and generate the video. This will give us a nice video like this. With this workflow I just showed you, you can create unlimited images and videos of yourself or any other character you create. And you can do it all right inside Higgsfield without ever leaving the platform. Higgsfield has many different tools we did not cover today, and they are worth checking out. So click the link in the video description and sign up to Higgsfield to create your first cinematic video. Now, if you want all the guides, prompts, and everything I used inside this video, just click the link in the video description and you will find everything you need in my website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.